stuff with me, so no plane.
Plane?
No.
Car?
Yes.
Ooh, that's quite the road trip.
That's hard shit, man.
I mean, it's fun. You see the landscape.
Yeah, that's what I was saying. Then you guys can drive back with Julian.
Hey, you might as well stop by New York, go to Niagara Falls.
Yeah. I mean, just let me know if you guys are able to go or not. If not, you know.
When? August?
Yeah, sometime in the third week of August.
Mid August.
You might either meet my roommates. I don't know, they're females. One is Korea.
See, she's single. You know, you could have get it. Don't be stupid, man.
I'm helping you.
See, you see, she's giving you, bruh. He's scared when they see a girl. He say.
Because if not, I'm gonna send to my other friend. Dad, you quitting this whole thing.
Babe, good job.
บังเอิญมึงไปที่ไหนล่ะเบื่อไปเรื่อยๆไงคนหลับเนี่ย
Đưa anh cái chụp hình lên về nhà này anh.
Tao cứ bật đi hơi nữa.
Ấy tay không. Ok, tay không. Last time we drive, we see people, you know, those old style, you know, riding the Amish people. Yeah, riding the horse or the carriage, you know. Wow. That's nice. I don't know. You say, you know, like something I've seen in a movie, not in real life.
It is illegal to go slow when everybody go fast.
That's a lie. As long as you go under the speed limit, there's no such thing as illegal.
Yeah, you go under speed limit, it's illegal, bro.
That's right, but
If I were a cop, I'd pull him over, bro.
you were way over speed limit.
Yeah,
I'm pulling you over right
I'm
now.
about 20 mile per hour over the speed limit.
Then you better be with people because you're alone by yourself right now.
Well, I am with the people, by the people, for
Next
the people.
to it. Next to the other car, you know.